Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experience with the product. SimpleVisit.com provides a remarkably straightforward approach to scheduling appointments. The platform's clean interface and intuitive design make it incredibly user-friendly, whether you're a business owner setting up your availability or a client looking to book a time slot. One of the standout features is the ability to customize your booking page with your branding, ensuring a consistent experience for your clients. You can add your logo, choose your brand colors, and even incorporate custom messaging. This personalization helps reinforce your brand identity and creates a professional impression. Beyond aesthetics, SimpleVisit.com offers a powerful suite of tools to manage your scheduling effectively. You can set your available hours, specify service durations, and even configure buffer times between appointments. This granular control allows you to optimize your schedule and avoid overbooking. The platform also provides automated reminders to clients, reducing no-shows and improving efficiency. Clients receive email and/or SMS notifications confirming their appointments and reminding them of upcoming bookings. From a client perspective, SimpleVisit.com is equally convenient. The booking process is seamless. Clients can quickly view your availability, select a preferred time, and complete the booking in just a few clicks. The platform is mobile-friendly, making it easy for clients to book appointments on the go. Furthermore, the integration with popular calendar applications ensures that appointments are automatically synced, minimizing scheduling conflicts. SimpleVisit.com also offers valuable features for businesses looking to expand their reach. You can embed the booking widget directly into your website or social media pages, making it even easier for clients to schedule appointments. The platform also supports multiple staff members, allowing businesses to manage schedules across their team efficiently. This streamlined approach to scheduling helps businesses save time and focus on delivering exceptional service. Overall, SimpleVisit.com is a highly effective and user-friendly scheduling solution. Its intuitive design, customizable features, and powerful automation tools make it an excellent choice for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solopreneur or managing a large team, SimpleVisit.com can help you streamline your scheduling process and enhance your client experience.